You know, usually I don't rap on trending instrumentals, but something about this moment got me feeling sentimental. Like grandma's patio, the studio that I begin with in Delamo, California, off of Termon and Hilf. I was rapping over Lil Wayne's beat, a Milli Milli, with my fork in a Frito bag, mixing cheese and chili. Trying to make a mixtape to pass around the city, while my granny telling me that trying to rap is fucking silly. But play them acapellas and I bet you hear my grandfather laughing at Fred, call Lamont a big dummy. I listen to these young niggas rapping with no beat, and all I hear is junkies or an iPhone buzzing. I know you hate your life and beef with me to feel alive, but I promise that there's more pressing issues outside. Kendrick Lamar said, watch the party die, and I've been waiting seasons just to see you demons fry. Dare you whack 'em at your neck with these Spotify checks. Heard you made 300 million off of art you don't respect. We out here fighting over divisions of a cent, while this bald bitch playing AI music on a jet. I wish the OGs with bars with my back and share a new song and not another podcast. They told me that my music ain't worth the Mona Lisa. They was right, it's worth more with Queen Latifah face features. Lil' whoever, sit down and eat your pizza. This the moment grown-ups take over and talk to teachers. The record business came and gentrified the culture, painted black paint on black faces for the posters. I know it's hard to see till you see the stockholders. They paid out meals for black voices to be the vultures. Who am I in this off-white shell? I could be Huey Newton, time may tell. Auntie Beverly said the wine use a black-ass male. Even with a few drops, you know you still chocolate milk. They keep saying rap's a young man's sport, when every rookie in the league got an old head coach. A captain that's a leader where he might fall short. Executives want young rappers they can strangle by the throat. Facts.